Hey there, Belinda here from Recruitment Garage. I would like to talk to you very quickly about control and delegating. Recruiters, and I'm one obviously, recruiters are the hardest working people I know in the world, and we're real doers. We like to take control, and if you're running your business, a lot of that is going to be because you like to be in the driving seat and in control, which is great to a point. But what can happen is you take on too much control, you don't delegate, and then you get stuck at a particular level in your business. If you're really looking to scale and grow your business, one of the kindest things you can do for yourself is look to other people that you can delegate to. Sure, they may not do things as brilliantly as you do, but if you want your business to grow, you need that freedom. You need to let go of control. And one way to do that is to start to look at things that you're doing that are outside your pay grade, so under your pay grade, or they're outside what your real skill set is, so that you can, and then think about things you're great at, like going out and talking to clients, negotiating, driving your business, looking at the bigger picture. Because until you can start to delegate some of that smaller stuff, it's very, very hard to focus quality time on that bigger stuff that's going to make a difference for you. So it takes a bit of practice. It can feel a bit icky, but it really is one of the key steps in helping you to grow a substantial business. Hope that helps you out. Have an awesome day.